So you've been given the gift of voice. How will you use it? What are you going to change?
She's helped me become a better speaker, become a better orator. She's helped me, in a way, become the teacher I am today.
So number one, and being unforgettable, having people fall madly in love with you, is to be willing to share your story. When you share your story, all of a sudden the listener becomes a part of your journey. And then what happens is you tap into something in them. What I know is that an audience of one or an audience of 1,000, they're looking for connection. If you want to be memorable, you want to be unforgettable, you want people to fall madly in love with you, make a stand. So no matter what your message is, no matter who you're speaking to, no matter how many people are in your audience or your boardroom or in your living room couch, the gift you give them that will make you freaking unforgettable and help them to fall madly in love with you is the gift of inspiration.
So I know this woman is going to touch your lives in this next 1 hour together like she's touched the lives of countless millions of people.